Great. Welcome back. This is Michael Smith. Just wanted to make a quick video on Markitup. Basically, this is a pretty fast and easy tool. It's used to provide annotation and spruce up your images. So real quick, for marketing, I would say if you have an Etsy or an Amazon store, this is a great tool. So first things first, I'm going to keep this super short, so I'm going to go through this really fast. I'm going to find a product image that I want to market, or maybe just spruce up the image. So let's pick one of these. I'm going to use this, what is this? This is Bulk Listing Pro. And so here's the image. It's a screenshot of one of the apps that I have here, and I'm going to hit edit image. Just check that it's cropped correctly and it looks okay for me. I'm going to tighten up these edges really quick. Maybe I'll bring this up like this. Tuesday. All right, so now that I have this cropped, I'm going to hit apply and done. So this is a screenshot of, we'll call it maybe a cell phone of a application. And so what we have here are a bunch of themes: product, professional, technical, creative, decade. And for this, I'm going to choose product. So let's try this bold marketing. I like the gradient noise actually. So I'm going to select gradient noise, and then I'm going to come down here to the output size, and I want to do this for maybe a thumbnail. We'll make it a thumbnail for YouTube, right? And you saw the box that changed here. So if, let's say, I have a different dimension sized image, I can zoom it in if it fits better that way. This is 1280 by 720, so that's pretty interesting. What about this one? I'm going to stay with that and possibly go to Instagram square or portrait. Let's try this one. Yeah, that's nice. So it actually kind of pre-fills for you if you have Instagram or possibly Facebook. We've got some product stuff like product hunt, and all of these have already been pre-configured. So second thing I'm going to do is put a little description to give AI an understanding of what it's looking at. So Bulk Listing Pro Chrome extension. Let's see, what is this doing? Install helper allows users to upload product listings directly to Etsy. I'll say directly to their Etsy store, right? And we have one other tool here. It's the highlight areas. And let's say I want to call out something specific in this image. I'm going to click on that, and then this image is going to show up here. And let's see, we can log in. Maybe I'll highlight this area here, right? So this is the, I'm going to undo that. This is the detection to tell if you're on Etsy or not. So I'm going to do that and make sure that my output is where I want it to be. I have selected my template. He's making weird sounds in the background. And then I'm going to hit generate button. And so one of the things in the background that Markitup does is it actually analyzes your image through two different pipelines. One is going to analyze the text. The other one is going to analyze the image itself. It's going to take context from your image. So if you have writing on there and cues such as this highlighter, it'll be able to identify exactly what you're looking for and how it wants to place the image. So one of the hardest things that you're doing when you're creating these images, if you're an Etsy store seller or another different product, is trying to create professional images based on an image and add graphics and all of those things. And so there are some people out there, and there are also professionals that do this for cash, that are really good, you know, creatively. They're also good at using Canva. That's a good tool. I am not one of those people. I'm very technically minded, and so anything artistic, I do not have that. So that's why this tool was created, and hopefully there are other people out there like you or like me that want to market, obviously, provide or create great, beautiful looking images, but don't have the expertise. So Great. So here is the output, and actually looks pretty great. So Etsy listing made simple, connect your shop in a snap to list creations directly from your browser. And then we have this link up with your Etsy account here. Perfect. And I've got another one here, and we will also have the Bulk Listing Pro logo that it's extracted from here. So that's actually pretty snazzy there. So AI has extracted the logo here, Etsy listing made simple, and we also have this call out. So again, another thing that it does is it matches your image's color scheme, and so you won't have much of a clash, right? And so you can see it's got this orange color, and it uses some of the orange that we have in here and a little bit of this yellow. So come down and click on export. That's great. You can also resize by going and selecting those as well. Great tool, very easy to use, very user friendly. I recommend it as a Chrome extension. You can go to the Chrome web store and type in Markitup, and you'll be able to find it. Thanks again. Have a good one.